I just wanna show you up, build you up. Baby, say the word and I'm pulling up. Cause I'm addicted, get to your touch. You got me lifted, can't get enough. You did you wrong, girl, I never do that. Even if we had a call, I never choose that. You don't no drama.
So this morning I got 5 different hair packages, so there's more hair reviews coming out for you guys. You guys are probably bored of me doing hair reviews, but this is what's paying the bills, paying the rent right now, so you gotta do what you gotta do, man. So this is the first one from Sombar Hair, Beauty Forever, Hair VV, Junior Hair.
Do what you want with me, you never cry. Just let me prove that. If I say I'm trouble, I'm just trying to clear my.
When you open the box, this is what it looks like. I actually have a black hot comb exactly like this, but mine's from Amazon. So this one says it takes 30 seconds to heat up and it goes up to 235, which is literally the same as the one that I've got right now. So you guys please just ignore my setup right now. I'm literally in the middle of like moving in and obviously trying to settle in and stuff like that, so everything is a bit of a mess at the moment. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. Guys, it literally looks exactly the same as the one that I've got right now, and it goes up to 235. Here's my other one, and this is the one that I got from Amazon. This one goes up to 20. On here it says 20, but then the one that I just got through the post box says 235. It says 235. Today I'm gonna go get my nails done. As you guys can see, my nails are pretty grown out and it's starting to do that thing where it starts lifting up, so it's becoming annoying now. So I mean, I've had these for a month, so it's about time I go and get them redone. So I'm just gonna show you guys what my place is looking like at the moment. I look a hot mess, so just ignore what I'm looking like, okay? So I'm currently painting the doors for my place. Hold on. So as you guys can see, still got the first coat on, so still got a long way to go. Painting this door as well, that's the painter right there, and then he's currently painting that door. As you guys can see, that's the door that leads to the kitchen, but you guys will see like the final look once everything is done.
I just wanna treat you right, keep you fly, change your life. Let me take your pain away, take away your rainy days, rainy days. If I say I'm troubled, I'm just trying to clear my day. If I say that I'm troubled, trying to show you, trying to show you. If I say that I'm troubled, I know you don't feel the same. If I say that I'm troubled, I just wanna be like you. I know we hurt you. You did your dirty, you didn't deserve me.
Hi guys, okay, so now I'm making my way to get my nails done and I look a hot mess. Like, this is the Bemi you guys don't get to see. Like, I like being very comfortable, so if I can go out without my wig, that is definitely what I'm going to do. If I can go out without wearing a bra, that's what I'm going to do. I prefer wearing sports bra because I just find wearing a bra very, very uncomfortable. I don't know why, but I find it so uncomfortable. So don't mind my scarf. Listen, it gets like that, okay? Like, it's really, really hot, so I can't even be bothered of going through the stress of gluing down my wig or anything like that. I'm making my way to get my nails done now. I've had these in for like a good month, so I got these done for my birthday, and I'm gonna insert clips. Ray is amazing. Ray, like, this is my second time going to her now, but she's actually really amazing. Like, she takes her time and she gets it done exactly how you want it, so I don't mind paying a little bit more as long as I know, like, you know, I'm gonna like the finish. So yeah, like, I'm gonna make sure to leave her Instagram on the screen and down below as well, so you guys just check out her page and see her work. She's really, really good, I won't lie. I can't believe I look like this. This is how you know I have no shame. I have no shame. Like, this is the Bemi you guys don't get to see, honestly. I feel like I've been making the most of like not being able to get on public transport and stuff. I mean, I can't wait to start driving because that is just so much more convenient. Like, I feel like driving is so convenient, but it's expensive. but it's something I'm definitely going to look into because I feel like it's about time I started whipping. Okay, it's about time I started driving. But I've definitely been making the most of like not being able to walk for long, because now I just get cab from A to B wherever I'm going. It's cab then cab back, because obviously, in case some of you guys don't know, I've got a fracture, so I had to get an operation done on my right leg. So it's a lot better now, but I'm still not able to walk for long, so like I tend to just get cab everywhere now, which was my lifestyle even before my leg situation happened. Like I'm just used to getting cab everywhere. Like I can't do this whole public transport thing. It's not for me. I hate getting on the bus. I just can't. Okay, like I said, I like being comfortable. So when it comes to everything, I like being comfortable. I like getting a cab from my house to where I'm going, from where I'm going back to my house. Like that is literally me. So
trying to show you better things. Your friends say that I'm trouble. I know you don't feel the same. Your friends say that I'm trouble. They shouldn't lie.
yeah, it's just right here. Thank you so much. You too.
Love you, you didn't deserve it, but I'm different, shawty. I know you heard it before, trust me. Wanna ride for you till the end, wanna hold you down, be a man, and I'm telling you, shawty, I'm different, trust me. Because you see me with the goons, don't mean I want to. That's all my guys, been with them from school. I'm kinda stuck, tell me what do I do? It's either them or you, and I wanna know, are you ready for me like I'm ready for ya? Baby girl, your loving got me in a choco. So I don't even wanna be a player no more. If I say I'm trouble, I'm just trying to clear my name. Your friends say that I'm trouble, trying to show you better things. Your friends say that I'm trouble, I know you don't feel the same. Your friends say that I'm trouble. You did your dirty, you didn't deserve you.
Guys, if you're ever gonna do this, make sure you get help, because I'm struggling. Oh my god.
Wanna hold you down, be a man, and I'm telling you, shawty, I'm different, trust me. You, it's like the world stops when I'm with you. I know. I just wanna treat you right, keep you fly, change your life. Let me take your pain away, take away your rainy days, If I say I'm trouble, I'm just trying to clear my day. If I say that I'm trouble, trying to show you, If I say
My back, guys, my back is gone.
I just wanna be like you. I know we hurt you, you did your dirty, you didn't deserve me, you didn't deserve it, but I'm different, shawty. I know you heard it before, trust me.
I honestly can't believe I have my own little place now. Like, this is amazing. I'm so freaking happy. So I'm just so happy that I've got my couch now, so at least I've got a place to sit down when I come to mine. I've got my tea table as well. I literally just need to get a little rug thing there. And then this is the view from my TV. And I'm just so happy they're finally done painting the doors, guys. I hated, like, with so much passion, I hated the brown doors. But now they've all been painted white, and I just think they look so much better. Obviously everything looks good in white, so you know, I just don't know what I'm gonna do with that little space over there, because now it's like I think that's probably where the old fireplace was, but okay, what do I do with it now? I don't know. I need to move that mirror also. That's the thing, once you start getting your furniture when you move in, that's when you actually know what your setup is going to be like. But until then, it's just everything is all over the place, because my TV was definitely over there before. So don't know, man. Guys, I'm tired. I'm so tired. All the doors have been painted white, so everything is literally white now, and I'm just so happy. So obviously that little room there, that's going to be my studio, so I still need to sort that out. You guys can see how messy that place is. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see. But I've got so much I need to do in there. But yeah, all the doors are white now and I'm happy. So hi guys. Okay, so today I'm going to the beach with my friends and it is freaking hot, like as in it's so hot. And to think I was gonna do a full face makeup, I was gonna sit down, record for you guys, install a full lace wig, but listen, it's too hot. I keep wiping my face as well because I'm sweating so much. So I've just, I think I look cute. I'll try and get my whole fit, my outfit and stuff, so you guys can see what I'm wearing. But now I'm just making my way to my friend's house. I kind of feel like every time I wear lashes they look weird. Like this one looks fine, but this one looks like I've got spiders, like, because why are they so long? But my eyes are weird anyway. They don't look the same. So every time I do my makeup and I wear lashes, there's always one eye that looks a bit weird, but oh well. So I'm just making my way to my friend's house now as usual. I am late again. I was supposed to be there for 12. It's 1 p.m. right now, so I'm an hour late and I think they're waiting for me as well. Listen.
Mama, I let you do what you want with me, you never cry. Just let me prove that. Friends say I'm trouble, I'm just trying to clear my name. Your friends say that I'm trouble, trying to show you better things. Your friends say that I'm trouble, I know you don't feel the same. Your friends say that I'm trouble, they shouldn't lie. I know we hurt you, you did your dirty, you didn't deserve it, but I'm different, shawty. I know you heard it before, trust me. Wanna ride for you till the end, wanna hold you down, be a man, and I'm telling.
Hi guys. Okay, so today I'm gonna be vlogging for you guys. I'm having like a mini girls night / sleepover with my girls, and we're just gonna be chilling, just you know, having girls time, tea time also. So yeah, today I'm with Pam. Where is Pam? Pam, why are you hiding? No, Pam. Good day. Pam is there.
Hi guys.
And then Marianne's upstairs. I don't know if you guys remember Marianne from my first vlog. Marianne, where are you? Let me go find Marianne for you guys. So that's Marianne. She looks cute. I beg. So yeah, you guys are probably wondering, Remy, where are you? But that's my little secret that I'm gonna reveal to you guys very soon. Very soon. So Akman Rumi. I don't know how you lot do this. Honestly, I don't know how you guys do this. My arm is killing me. So I've got 2 of my friends here today. Sorry sis. Let me come in a bit closer, since that's what you want to be doing. Let me come in a bit closer.
Oh, damn.
Go on.
I think I dropped something.
Oh. This guy's mad. You. Hey Grammy. But yeah, so we're just having a chilled night in today and just chilling. And yeah, guys, I've had the longest day today. It's not even a joke. I have had such a long day, and I'm finally just gonna have a chilled night, just chill. And then the girls are there, so
They just wanna be like you. I know we hurt you, you did your dirty, you didn't deserve it, but I'm different, shawty. I know you heard it before, trust me. Wanna ride for you till the end, wanna hold you down, be a man, and I'm telling you, shawty, I'm different, trust me. Pull up on you anytime you call my phone. Always on my mind, girl, you bust my down. Take care of you when something's wrong. I will listen to your prayers all night long. And anything you want, girl, for you, I'll do. Make life simple, like 2 times.